Orang tewas dalam peristiwa kebakaran yang melanda gedung perusahaan jasa pesawat tanpa awak atau drone di Kemayoran, Jakarta Pusat.
22 people died in fire that involved a drone service company building in Kemayoran, Central Jakarta.
65 jadi kebakaran.
Kobaran api terlihat dari sebuah gedung perusahaan jasa pesawat drone di Jalan Letjen Suprapto, Kemayoran, Jakarta Pusat, Selasa siang. Titik api yang berada di lantai bawah membuat sejumlah karyawan panik hingga terjebak di atas lantai gedung.
Flames were seen coming from a drone service company building on Jalan Letjen Suprapto, Kemayoran, Central Jakarta on Tuesday afternoon. The fire, which was located on the lower floor of the building, caused a number of employees become panic and trapped into the upper floors of the building.
Evakuasi berjalan dramatis. Para pegawai yang sempat terjebak berhasil dievakuasi petugas dengan menggunakan tangga. Salah satu karyawan menyebut api muncul secara tiba-tiba saat jam makan siang.
The evacuation was dramatic. Employees who were trapped were successfully evacuated by the officer using ladders. One employee said that the fire broke out suddenly when during the lunch hour.
Api baru bisa dipadamkan 1 jam kemudian setelah 28 unit mobil damkar diterjunkan ke lokasi kebakaran. Penyebab kebakaran masih dalam penyelidikan aparat berwenang.
The fire was extinguished an hour after 28 fire trucks were deployed to the scene. The cause of the fire still under investigation by the authorities.
Ada baterai di lantai 1 yang terbakar. Kemudian sempat dipadamkan karyawan. Kemudian ternyata baterai bakar ini menyebar karena di lantai 1 ini adalah salah satu tempat gudangnya. Kemudian karyawan yang pada saat itu sedang istirahat makan, sebagian berada keluar, sebagian lagi itu semuanya naik atau sedang istirahat di lantai 2, 3 sampai lantai 6.
A battery on the first floor caught fire. Employees attempt to extinguish it, but the fire spread because the first floor is used as a warehouse. At the time, some employees were on their lunch break outside, but others still inside the building, or taking a break at the second, third, or sixth floors of the building.
Kemudian pada saat terbakar, api semakin membesar, kemudian asap itu sampai naik ke lantai 6. Akhirnya dari tadi hingga pukul 15, sekitar 15.30 tadi, sudah 17 korbannya. Ini saat ini penyisiran masih dilakukan, baik itu lantai per lantai, tim dari pemadam kebakaran masih bekerja. Semoga nanti bisa segera diketahui untuk korbannya, karena karyawan di toko ini cukup banyak.
As the fire burned, it grew larger, and the smoke rose to the 6th floor of the building. Finally, from earlier until 3 p.m. or around at 3:30 p.m., there were already 17 victims. Certainly, the search is still ongoing, floor by floor, and the fire department is still working. Hopefully, the number of victims will soon be known because there are quite a lot of employees in this store.
Kepala Rumah Sakit Polri Kramat Jati telah menerima 21 kantong jenazah korban kebakaran di gedung Terra Drone siang tadi.
The head of Kramat Jati Police Hospital received 21 body bags of victims of the fire at Terra Drone Building Company in this afternoon.
Hingga kini Rumah Sakit Polri tengah menunggu surat penyidikan dari kepolisian guna melakukan identifikasi. Tim Bidokes Polri telah membawa sebanyak 21 kantong jenazah ke Rumah Sakit Polri Kramat Jati. Kantong jenazah terakhir tiba sekitar pukul 17:28 waktu Indonesia Barat.
Until now, the police hospital is still waiting for an investigation letter from the police to carry out identification. The police medical team has brought 21 body bags of victims to the Kramat Jati Police Hospital, and the last body bag arrived at around 28 past 5 p.m. Western Indonesian time.
Kepala Rumah Sakit Polri, Brigjen Pol Prima Heru Yuli Hartono, menyebut pihak Bidokes Polri masih belum melakukan pencocokan postmortem dan antemortem, mengingat belum diterimanya surat penyidikan dari kepolisian.
The head of the police hospital, Brigadier General Prima Heru Yuli Hartono, said that the police medical service division has not yet conducted postmortem and antemortem matching because it has not yet received investigation letter from the police.
Hingga kini pemirsa, Rumah Sakit Polri memastikan 11 tim identifikasi postmortem, antemortem, dan tim DNA telah bersiap untuk mengidentifikasi korban.
As of now, viewers, the police hospital has confirmed 11 postmortem, antemortem, and DNA identification teams are ready to identify the victims.
Pertama-tama kami mengucapkan ikut berduka cita atas kejadian kebakaran gedung di Kemayoran. Saat ini Rumah Sakit Bayangkara tingkat 1 Pusdokes Polri telah menerima 21 kantong jenazah.
First of all, we would like to express our condolences for the fire in Kemayoran. Currently, the Bayangkara Level 1 Pusdokes Polri Hospital has received 21 body bags of the victims.
Adapun keluarga yang merasa kehilangan keluarga bisa melapor ke Rumah Sakit Bayangkara tingkat 1 Pusdokes Polri di gedung DVA, yaitu sebelah kantinnya Rumah Sakit Bayangkara tingkat 1 Pusdokes Polri.
If any family feel that they lost their family members, they can report to the Bayangkara Level 1 Pusdokes Polri Hospital, specifically in the DVA building next to the cafeteria of Bayangkara Level 1 Pusdokes Polri Hospital.
Saat ini kita belum melakukan pemeriksaan karena belum ada permintaan dari penyidik. Kita nunggu surat dari penyidik untuk dilakukan pemeriksaan dan identifikasi.
At this time, we have not conducted any examination because there has been no request from the investigator. We are waiting for instruction from the investigator to conduct any examination and identification.